Welcome back to another video. Today we will be replacing a liquid filter dryer. A lot of techs got burned replacing liquid filter dryers. It's very easy, very simple. You just gotta pay attention. Pay attention to this video. It's longer as usual. It's more detailed, more informative. There's a lot to learn in this video. First step, I got my gauges hooked up from the liquid line of the filter dryer to the suction of my rack. We're working on a rack system. A rack has multiple compressors, as you're gonna see it later on in the video. The rack I'm working on has 6 compressors, and I just hooked up one side of my gauge, one of my hoses in the suction line. Therefore, instead of using a recovery machine to recover the liquid between the two ball valves where the filter dryer is, I'm just gonna suck every liquid, every refrigerant in that line back to the rack. So pay attention. The yellow hose is the suction line of my compressor, one of the compressors on the rack. And then the other hose is at the liquid line filter dryer. So pay attention to this. The liquid is getting pulled out, as you can see on the left side of the gauge. The pressure is going down. I'm sucking every bit of liquid in that line. That's what usually burns people. If you got liquid into the filter dryer before you take it out, it's gonna burn you. You're gonna get hurt. So pay attention to this. The liquid is now recovered. The pressure is 0. There's no more liquid into the filter dryer. Now we isolating the suction of the compressor. We're gonna take out the gauges and we'll be good to go. So now there's no more liquid in the housing, in the filter dryer housing. I can now safely take the filter dryer out. There's only a little bit of gas. There's no liquid in there. We're going to clean this with alcohol. The strainer is plugged. Alright, we're gonna take the new one out. Boom. It comes with insulation, so seal. You wanna call it like that. Set it aside. Take this dude out. We need the container. Now we're gonna take the old strainer. We're gonna pour some alcohol in here. Alright. And then we're gonna dip it inside. This seal is bad. We're going to take it out. Boom. Or we can use a flap. Use this one. We're gonna clean it until we see the metal piece again. We keep digging. The inside gotta be like this. Until then, we gotta keep digging. Hey, how's it going? Carefully taking this out. Make sure it's the right side. It goes straight in there. Inside of the oil. The oil is gonna make it soft and fitting properly. Okay. Now we got a brand new seal in there. Easy. We're gonna get the new filter now. We're gonna need a new insulation again. We're gonna need this one. We're going to dip it in some oil again. Now inside of this one, let's pour some oil in. We're gonna dip it inside. We're gonna get this size now, which is this one. Dip it in some oil for a few seconds. This one is going right here. Okay. The new filter is gonna sit on it right here. Just like that. Since the line was open, we're gonna put it in the vacuum. All right. So we just vacuum this line right here. Once the vacuum is done, we're gonna turn. Now we're gonna shut the vacuum. You don't need the gauge anymore. Open up the line. Okay. Since the vacuum is done, the ball valves can be open. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you. If you made it to the end, we very appreciate it. That's the only way you can support the channel. It's a new channel, and I'm trying to teach young guys out there HVAC, refrigeration. Leave a like, leave a follow, and I'll see you in the next one.